Have you ever noticed that some people enter in a room and suddenly everyone notices them? They are not the most beautiful person, they are not the loudest person, and they are not even trying to get attention. And still, people look at them, listen to them, and remember them. And there is just something about their presence. You can't explain it, but you can feel it. This is not just about the looks, this is not just about the confidence. There is a magnetic energy they bring. Today I'll explain what actually make a person magnetic. It is not just only about the charm, it is not just only about the looks, it is not just only about the confidence and not manipulation. Magnetism is when life responds differently to your energy. When you become a magnetic, opportunities comes to you, people start trusting you and relationships stay with you without putting any efforts. Do you feel like that I am a good person, I help everyone, I care people, give them time, and try to keep the connections and situation, but still people opportunity slowly pulls away. Connection changes, people change, situation change, and the moment this happen, you start doing something very automatic. Even you didn't realize, you try to fix the situation, you are trying to fix the connection. You text them a little more, you put more efforts, you greet them first, you explain more, you try to make things normal again. And you consciously start putting all your energy, action to that thing. Not because you need them, you need that person, you need that situation. It is because something inside you make you really uncomfortable. You started feeling very uncomfortable, and that's why you take all this action. You started looking for the validation, and this one habit silently destroying your magnetism. The moment you are trying to be like, the moment you are trying to be get validation from the people, that moment your energy changed, and you are no longer connecting, you are seeking at that moment. And this is when magnetism start disappearing. And why this has happened, Kabbalah explains it in very beautiful way. Kabbalah says every human beings live in a two states of energy, desire to receive and desire to share. When you feel emotional discomfort and try to get reassurance, validation, attention, liked by people, you enter in a desire to receive that I want this. I want you to like me. I want your validation to feel okay inside myself. I want your attention to feel good about me. So you are not actually wanting that person, you don't want actually that situation, you wanting that feeling they give you, and you become very needy. And when you enter in your neediness energy, your energy start asking, give me attention, give me reassurance, give me validation, make me feel secure, I want to be liked, give me love. And even if you are not saying this, your energy is talking, your vibe is talking, and people subconsciously understand this. They maybe not consciously and logically understand this, what is happening, but subconsciously they understand your energy, and people start feeling pressure around you. People start feeling uncomfortable around your energy. And moment this happen, people, situation, things change. People start running away, and that's where magnetism decreases. What actually create magnetism? Kabbalah call it desire to share. In simple word, it means wholeness. And when you operate from the wholeness frequency, you are no longer dependent on the people's situation to feel okay inside yourself. It means that you are complete within yourself. You don't need validation to feel valuable. You don't need to constant reply to feel secure. And you don't even need to perform to liked by others. Wholeness is when your emotional state is not dependent on someone else's behavior. And when you tapped into wholeness energy, your emotional state changes. People start attracting towards you. All the desires started following you. Let me explain you with an example. This is the way how human beings live. desire to receive, and desire to share. When you are in your neediness energy, you start operating from your survival mode. And when you are operating from the wholeness energy, you start operating from the creation mode. And when you are in the survival mode, you chase people, you chase validation, you chase outcome, you chase stability. And the more you chase, the more it feel like life is running away from you. Neediness is not wanting something, it is about trying to escape your inner discomfort, your inner reality. And when you are in a survival mode, your nervous system start building protection. It has started looking safety, and it is not creating at the moment. When you are in a survival mode, your nervous system is just protecting. It is not creating anything. So when you are in this survival mode, in this neediness energy, you are just reacting. You are not creating. And a reactive nervous system cannot be magnetic, because magnetism requires stability, not urgency. Now let's come here. This is a creation mode. And when you are in a creation mode, you are operating from the wholeness energy. And wholeness doesn't mean you don't want success, you don't want love, you don't want money or relationship. It simply means that you are no longer depending on outside things, on an outer situation to make you feel good or make you feel okay inside yourself. And here your energy becomes calm, confident, peaceful, grounded, loving. And because your inner state is stable, you start becoming magnetic. When you start operating from the wholeness energy, when you are in a creation mode, your energy become like, I don't chase opportunity, I don't force people, you don't manipulate outcomes, you take aligned action, not in desperate action. Creation mode is when it comes from clarity, not from fears. And because the universe is full of infinite energy, whatever matches to your energy, whatever matches to your inner state, start coming towards you, not magically, energetically. And survival mode asks, what do I need to get? It always asks, I need love, I need attention, I need validation, because it is operating from lower energies. It is operating from the fear. And the creating mode asks, what do I want to express? And that's why you see some people even not trying so hard, but everything seems so flowing into them, and they are not even just lucky, they are internally regulated. They are so magnetic that everything comes to them naturally. Magnetism does not only mean that people like you, magnetism means how life responds to you. When you become magnetic, all the desires start following you. People liking you, it is a side effect. Ease is side effect, and the real shift is internal. Now, the most important thing, how can you move from this survival mode, this neediness energy, to the wholeness energy? From the survival mode to the creation mode, not just by pretending confidence, not just by faking good looks, it is happening by training your nervous system. I'm going to discuss 3 ways how you can move from this survival mode to creation mode, where you start become magnetic. The 3 things that you can do to move from survival mode to creation mode, from the neediness energy to the wholeness energy. And the first thing is meditation. Start meditating for 15-20 minutes daily, and your brain waves start going slow down. You start feeling peaceful, you start feeling calm, you start tapping into the creation energy, you start flowing your energy into the higher state. Your frequency will naturally expand. It's naturally shift to survival mode to creation mode. And second thing you need to do is regulate your nervous system and shadow work. If you are constantly in the flight mode, you will be in survival mode. And you keep running your life from fears, you keep taking actions from fears, and you will remain in the neediness energy. So to come out from this, identify your triggers, identify your shadow past, identify the identity which is fearful, and come out from all these things. There are so many ways You can regulate your nervous system. The one is breath work, somatic practices. And when you do this, you will signal your mind that you are safe. And when you feel safe and when your mind, your nervous system slow down, you start seeing things very differently. Your perspective is going to change. You start taking action very differently, and you are going to change, and the result is will be change. Your identity is going to shift. The third thing you can do is surrender. What I mean by surrender? Surrender means to surrender to that higher consciousness. Surrender to the God. Believe and faith that whatever happening for you, it is happening for your good. And when you believe, you are no more operating from the neediness energy. You start tapping into that creation energy, and you will no more make the fear-based choices, the old choices. Instead of reacting, you start responding. So surrender to the God. So magnetism is not created by trying. It appears when your inner stability is no longer dependent on the reality. And when you stop chasing, peace begins. And from that peace, magnetism naturally appears.